case. And Karunanidhi is bitter about his daughter's arrest. This song is proving useful.
Yo guys, it's wrong. Very wrong. Bloody wrong. Why still Kanimoy in? Others out. Why still Kanimoy in? 6 months in prison. What kind of decision? If something is not done, I'll become then quick gun Murugan. Why still Kanimoy in?
Why court questioning me? Ayo. Why court questioning me? Sarile, non-corrupt CM of the state named TN. Ostentation my style. So many cases, why file? Why court questioning me? It's not okay.
Why still Kanimoy in appa, yo?
Yenna rascal, huh?
Aya, pola.
Why indeed?